This is Maya and I'm from Singapore. I hope everyone is safe and taking care of each other and supporting each other in this COVID-19. So, I'm here to talk about COVID-19 and how the government or people of Singapore are supporting each other to overcome this. So, I'm going to talk about what are the measures the government has taken. The immediate measure after COVID 19 was controlling with the borders. The borders were being closed around the country in order to accept Malaysia because only from that source we are getting food and everything. So the borders were being closed across, and when the second thing was precautionary measures for the elderly people, because as of studies, the elderly peoples are the one who's getting more affected than even the kids, because when the kids are at home and it's being controlled by the parents, and means the measures are a bit low because the citizens have to come and visit hospitals. So these kind of measures, like the government were clearly explaining them what to be and what to do. So what are the priorities that if they mandatory that have to come to hospital, only then those patients are being allowed. So it's based upon the priorities and the importance the government gave importance to the peoples. And the third thing was social distancing, and it started means around in the month of Feb itself. So how it meant is like even in the restaurants they should not sit opposite to each other, and they should be obviously on arm distance. If not, we have to pay around so many dollars and as a fine, and we have to undergo even 2 years of jail if you are not obeying the government. So there were very strict rules implemented day by day, and even the people are socially responsible also. So there were not much cases that has been identified where they are not obeying the government. Not only by measures, like the government is supporting financially also. So for the persons who's undergoing daily wages or expecting a daily salary basis, for example cab drivers, for example plumbers. So these are the persons who are based upon living based upon their daily wages. So the government have given them up to 3 months $1,000 as their wages. And like the recent cases, right, it's a dormitory, and for them also the government is supporting like that. So not only this, like they are giving for $300 separate dollars for the citizens. So the government is taking all the measures, even financially, that the people should not get affected. So the main motto of the government here is people should not get panic, because immediately after the virus has been spread inside the Singapore, there were a number of unwanted messages, which is not at all true. So the government immediately took WhatsApp as the biggest source, and they just, even if they get any fake news, they immediately send in the group that this is not fake, you need not worry, you have stocks, because people were very panic and they started running into supermarkets to take the food, and literally there were many supermarkets who were left empty. So then slowly the government understood how the people are getting panic. So understanding that also, the government is like slowly only they are giving all those data related to the COVID. The government has taken additional measures to, like not allowing the pass holders and the construction work holders also to stay at home notice. They are asking us to come out. So let's see. And that is all today's news. Thank you again for listening to it.